The EMA 50, in every practical sense, is right now at $0.00591, or so they in a real sense thought. The $0.000744695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, for the most part is genuinely critical. SPEL United States dollar for the most part is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a sort of enormous manner. Bears control SPEL's kind of current cost activities extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. 27 November 2023, in this video we will basically walk you through sort of SPEL truly token cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for by and large SPEL token, in every practical sense, is truly SPEL a genuinely wise interest in a really significant manner. SPEL fundamentally token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities in a by and large huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the SPEL specialized examination, in a real sense let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316, so the EMA 50 really is at present at $0.00591 in a sort of significant manner. The truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $51,887,486,523, so the essentially absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $51,887,486,523, which sort of is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in a very large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period in a by and large significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP sort of, is somewhere near 3.54 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a sort of descending heading for pretty present moment, which essentially is genuinely critical. As of now, and in every practical sense, general especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of enormous manner. SPEL kind of symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense shows what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, which by and large is very huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers basically become substantially more in every way that really matters, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further incredibly. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in a by and large significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally SPEL fundamentally token, SPEL, truly SPEL fundamentally token execution. The cost of sort of SPEL pretty token, SPEL, explicitly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the very beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. Further appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316. So the EMA 50 generally is right now at $0.00591, which basically is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC soared of as 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars. So yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us fundamentally discuss the truly current economic situations, which most certainly is very huge. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 by and large are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell certainly token value examination generally spell cost investigation for 27 November 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of underneath in a kind of significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the spell token. Showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in an unobtrusive manner. While Spell's Williams %R pointer basically is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange signal essentially is really conceivable at this reach, so right now, a genuinely broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. The spell United States dollar moving especially normal union indifference, MACD, pointer fundamentally is showing a sort of present moment, for the most part sell pretty sign, as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath beautiful sign line which basically implies truly bears in every way that really matters, are overwhelming on the lookout. So while Spell's Williams %R marker generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, commonly signal is entirely conceivable at this reach, so right now, an essentially broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may generally track down help at these essential degrees of $0.0008229, $0.000746995, moving beneath these levels could fundamentally carry the